Hello, I'm Ted and welcome to my world of woodcraft again. Now, a few weeks ago I had the idea of something seasonal, so I thought a Christmas tree. I didn't have too many pieces of driftwood left.
No.
But I did find one or two lengths that were in the round. So I quartered those,
Yeah.
as you can see, and that left me with most of the branches. Now, it started off with an 8mm piece of all thread, top to bottom. And so the upright pieces, I couldn't go much longer than that because I had to make sure, because they're a bit wiggly-piggly.
Yeah, you couldn't get it dead straight.
I went in from both ends to the middle, made sure I met in the middle,
Yeah.
a little bit of adjustment. And so I would drop that one down, you see, then put one of the branches on, having pre-drilled an 8mm hole on the angle, so they're all sort of going up slightly like natural conifers. And I thought it's quite fair realistic. And as I got harder and harder, you had slightly smaller pieces of a bit smaller branches. And it got harder and harder to drill an 8mm hole up the middle. But I managed it.
Yeah.
But it was fun actually, it was a bit of a challenge.
Certainly something different.
Yeah, I quite like the effect.
I like the robin.
Yeah, I like that, to be honest. Only finished it a few hours ago.
And did you say you varnished it, was it?
I'll give it one coat of matte varnish.
Yeah.
It darkens it slightly, gives a bit of protection, but it brings out the grain.
Yeah.
Emphasises the grain. So I thought it's a big improvement. I just found a wider piece there.
Is there anything you'd change if you did it again?
Yeah, get more driftwood to start up. Because I really scrapped the barrel a bit.
So it's just more of a challenge, isn't it?
I mean, with enough driftwood, it would have been easy. But I was quite pleased.
What was the hardest part?
I struggled a bit with this, to be honest.
What's that? The base?
The base, actually. I'll tell you for why. I've had a little bit of trouble with the challenge, so it was cutting it. I'm having a bit of trouble. I use like a radial driller, and that's completely blind. I finished cutting a lot of it, most of it, with a bow saw.
Really?
The only way I could do it, and then just sand it as best I could. But with a proper tool, it would have been an easy job. That just slots in there, you see. See, look. Oops.
Oh yeah.
Now, it wouldn't have been stable, so what it is, I just fixed it a piece of aluminium.
Yeah.
Just cover that with a bit of hot.
Very nice.
It would have been absolutely darling if I just had more driftwood and stuff.
I suppose you'll have to wait till spring now before you
sharp tools.
Yeah, before you get back down to breed.
Well,
Restock.
Like I say, I've got nothing left. So.
No.
But it was I'm quite pleased with it.
It's a good way of making use of the final few bits, isn't it?
Well, doing it this way, do you know all your little offcuts you've got?
Yeah.
You can use them all, you see, nothing needs to be thrown away.
No.
I put this in because this is our Christmas cactus. They're nice, aren't they?
They are, yeah.
Flowers for about 3 weeks. It's just slightly past its best now. I don't know if I showed you this one before, but...
Oh, the smoking snowman.
This is like the City Gen snowman. Can you put your top out? Okay.
I think it's gone out, hasn't it? I can't smell it anymore. Has it gone out?
Probably. I liked it.
Is this a recent model or?
I made it about 4 years ago, but I don't know, under the light.
I don't remember seeing this one before.
No, it's not a light now, but it was burning. But no, that was just.
Was this when you made like a whole batch of? You
I
made
did
a whole
make,
batch of
yeah,
them, didn't you, at one
didn't
point?
I make you one? Basically, just one hole for the having on a cigar. You have to leave a bit of ventilation at the back
Yeah.
so it can draw the oxygen up. Sure, that was you go out straight away, but it's quite a novelty.
Yeah.
When I got a proper code in it, just it really emphasises the smoke.
So what are you working on next?
I never know. Something entirely
Just play it by ear.
I play it by ear. Different though, isn't it?
Certainly that, yeah. I mean, compared to... Yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen one like this in the shops before. Driftwood. You see a lot of other driftwood things, but I don't remember seeing a driftwood Christmas tree.
I think sky's the limit, really.
Just your imagination, I suppose.
Limited by your imagination, really. So
Yeah.
I suppose that's it for now. Then I'll just have to wish everyone Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Feliz Navidad.